Hey y'all, and welcome to Chez Cherie. In this video, I'm showing you how I make cowrie shell hoop earrings. I've made one earring so far. Follow along for the matching earring. I'm using a brass circle wire frame as my base. I lay the shells around the base to measure the coverage in case I need to swap out a shell for a larger or a smaller one. I'm also using 24 gauge gold wire for wrapping. I measured and cut about an arm's length of wire. I will warn you, having such a long piece of wire can be cumbersome in the beginning, but stick with it. At one end of the wire, I fold about 1.5 inches or 2. I anchor it around the hoop and wrap the short side 3 or 4 times, then leave a tail. Wrap the long side 3 or 4 times as well. This helps me get my wrapping started, and having a tail to hold helps cut down on the wire shifting along the hoop. Now I feed the wire through the first cowrie shell and hold the bottom of the shell against the hoop. Then I feed the wire through a second time to secure the shell in place. Once the shell is secure, I continue wrapping the wire around the hoop. I don't have a set number of wraps, I just eyeball the amount of space to leave just enough room for the next shell, but keep a snug fit. When you're happy with the spacing, add the next shell. As you add shells, you'll find it helpful to hold on to the previous shell while securing the new one. You'll have more stability while wrapping the wire as tight as possible. Again, I pass the wire through the cowrie shell 2 times, and then I continue wrapping on the hoop frame. When you add the last shell, be sure to wrap a few times around the hoop before trimming the excess wire. You can wrap up to where you left the tail and leave enough space to wrap the tail around some more as well. When trimming both wires, be sure to cut in a place where the end of the wire will settle at the back. And you may have to use some chain nose pliers to push that wire in place. To finish the earring, add a jump ring to the top of one of the cowrie shells. From there, you can add your desired ear hook or clip, and the earrings are ready to wear. I will say this is a large version of the earrings, and the weight of the cowrie shells can be heavy and pull at the ear. You can make a smaller version of these earrings with less shells and still get the same effect. Alright, that's all for this tutorial. Please give the video a like and subscribe for more creative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!